Hi, welcome back to our channel, DB June 101 Tutorials. Last time, we talked about the program named ABCYA, an educational game for kids. This time, I will introduce to you another website that your kids can play and learn something in computer using this particular website. So what I'm talking is the PBS Kids. Okay, so maybe you are asking, what is a PBS Kids? So let's try. In our browser, okay, click your internet browser, the Google Chrome, and then you will type here in our browser PBS Kids, PBS Kids.org. Okay, so pbskids.org. So what is this program? It's quite similar to ABCYA. This is an edutainment games. So when you click, so this is now the PBS Kids. This is the logo. PBS Kids is the brand for most of the children's programming aired by the public broadcasting services in United States. So PBS meaning short for public broadcasting services. So this is a #1 educational media brand for kids. Offers children ages 2 to 8 the opportunity to explore new ideas and the world through televisions, digital media, and community-based program. So this is now the PBS Kids. If you like, you can bookmark this one in your computer. Just click the star on the side and then click bookmark, done. So that every time you open your browser, you can see the PBS Kids. Okay, so that's it. So this is the PBS Kids. So you have your parent, and this is all different activities and games. Okay, so this one is also a games. This one also, this wheel, you can turn. Okay, so we have different games here. So when you click, that is Super Y. This one is Dinosaur Train. We have also the favorite of my student, the Wildcrats. You can explore. And if you go down, you can see here, we have the new games.
New games.
Okay.
Popular games. Hard games.
Okay. So if you are working parents and you are afraid because maybe your kids stay at home and always play computer. So this particular website you can introduce to them is very useful in learning. So again, we have different games here. When you go down, you can see here all games, meaning to say all the games in PBS Kids are here.
All games.
Okay, so when you click all games, when you go down, say again, we have the new games.
New games. Popular games.
We have the teamwork game. We have feelings, games, adventure. Yeah, we have adventure games. Okay, I will refresh so that you will see. Okay, here on this side, you can see more topics. So we have different topics. Dress up games, spelling, vocabulary games. When you click this one, these are all the topics and all inside here. Okay, enclosed with different games. So for example, if you want ABC games, so you are here, ABC games, story games, numbers, okay, science, okay, about dogs, music. So you have different. We will try to click a dinosaur game. So all the games here is related to dinosaur. Most of the students like this one. Okay, so here you can play. This is the puzzle finder. Down here we have all the games related to dinosaur games. So for example, I will choose Rail Rally. Okay, just click. After you click this one, so this is the Dinosaur Train. So in the Dinosaur Train, you have
Field guide.
different train. So you have the Dinosaur Train, this one. You have
This is the rocket train. It is rocket powered. It does best on straightaways, so watch for straight runs of track to give this train a speed boost. Select the practice button to try out this engine before you race.
okay. So that is the rocket train. We have
This
also
is the solar train. It's powered by sunlight. The sun's energy is stored in a battery to keep this train powered. So stay in the sunlight to keep this train running quickly. Select the practice button to try out this engine before you race.
okay. So this is the different train in the Dinosaur Train race. Okay. So when you click practice, so here this is a track.
Let's practice driving the solar train.
Okay. So let's try.
Ready, set, go!
So you-
Press the space bar to power your train.
Okay. So if you can see, the train now is moving. Here, it's moving. So remember, this is a solar train. So the solar train get the power from the sun. So do not pass
Branches
on.
ahead. Press the down arrow on the keyboard to take the lower path, or press the up arrow to choose the upper path. There's a shadowy forest ahead. Choose the upper path to stay in the sunlight.
Okay.
That was a great practice run. Choose practice to try again.
So-
Select race if you're ready to race with the solar train. If you want to try another train, select the blue button.
Okay. So that is one of the games here in the Dinosaur Train games. So it's easy. When you go back to the main menu, all you need to do is to click the PBS Kids. And it will go back here. And you can choose another games, the same process. So parents, try to introduce this website to your kids. This is very helpful. And I know that your kids, your children will love this one. Okay, this is a PBS Kids. This is for free, but also there is a subscription for this, and you need to pay for it. Okay, but this one for free, you can enjoy about these PBS Kids. Okay, so don't forget, the website is pbskids.org. This is the logo. So till next time, in our tutorial, I will show you some games in PBS Kids, and we will play together. Okay, bye bye.